Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and preparing drivers. Check that the device is powered and try an alternate USB cable or port to rule out physical faults. Once done, open Device Manager and identify the COM port number or any warning icons so you know what Windows reports. Next, download the exact driver from the device maker, matching 32-bit or 64-bit Windows. This prevents mismatches. Make sure to unblock installer files and have admin rights ready before installing. Now you install and configure. Run the driver installer as an administrator and allow a reboot when prompted. Many COM changes require a restart. After reboot, return to Device Manager and open the device properties. Under Port Settings, click Advanced to view the assigned COM number. Change it if another device uses the same number to avoid conflicts. Also set baud rate, parity, data bits, and stop bits to the values specified by your device. Mismatch settings produce garbled or no communication. Finish by testing and, if necessary, troubleshooting. Open a terminal program like PooTTY or TerraTerm, select the assigned COM port and the configured serial settings, then send a simple command to confirm responses. If it fails, disconnect the device, uninstall the driver from Device Manager, reboot, and reinstall the latest driver. Make sure Windows Power Management is not turning off USB hubs and verify antivirus or endpoint protection isn't blocking the driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.